Welcome to our guide on transforming your daily routines with the power of AI. We'll cover AI integration in everyday tasks, enhancing efficiency, AI in decision-making, AI-driven optimization, personal productivity, and practical examples. Today, we delve into the seamless integration of AI into your daily tasks. Embracing AI technologies can enhance your efficiency and decision-making like never before. Whether it's automating routine emails, setting smart reminders, or using voice assistants for quick searches, AI's integration transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. Remember, the key is identifying tasks where AI can lend a helping hand. By recognizing AI-friendly opportunities in your workflow, you'll be well on your way to a more streamlined and productive routine. Next, let's learn how AI can enhance your efficiency. Discover how AI becomes your efficiency ally. By leveraging predictive algorithms and machine learning, AI fine-tunes your processes for optimal outcomes. Think about automating data analysis, scheduling, or even recommending the best route for your commute. The possibilities are boundless. Embrace AI's power to eliminate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Efficiency isn't just a goal. It's a reality you can achieve with the strategic use of AI. Now let's dive into the world of AI's impact on decision-making. Predictive analytics and data-driven insights empower you to make informed choices across various domains. From financial forecasting to medical diagnoses, AI helps navigate complex scenarios by analyzing patterns and probabilities. This new dimension in decision-making enables you to chart more successful and well-informed paths. Prepare to harness AI's guidance and enhance your decision-making prowess. Moving forward, we'll explore AI-driven optimization techniques. Optimization takes center stage with AI at your side. Algorithms and simulations enable AI to identify the most efficient routes, allocation strategies, and resource utilization. Imagine automating inventory management or route planning, ensuring optimal outcomes. By understanding how AI-driven optimization works, you'll unlock the door to cost savings, improved performance, and resource utilization like never before. Next, let's look at how AI can boost your personal productivity. Personal productivity meets AI's innovation. Seamlessly blending into your routine, AI aids in time management, task organization, and skill enhancement. Imagine AI-driven language learning or personalized content curation. By making AI your productivity partner, you'll reclaim valuable time and amplify your capabilities. Transform your routine into a powerhouse of accomplishment with AI by your side. Finally, we'll examine practical use cases of AI. Explore real-world examples where AI-driven solutions shine. From healthcare diagnostics to supply chain optimization, witness how AI tackles complex challenges. Envision a future where AI is a steadfast companion, revolutionizing industries and enriching lives. Your journey through this microcourse is just the beginning. Prepare to venture into a world where AI's potential knows no bounds. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI integration in daily workflows. Eager to dive deeper into AI and revolutionize your workflow? Join our AI Amplify program for in-depth courses, exclusive resources, and a community dedicated to mastering AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and updates. See you in the next video.